Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making a shoulder fan fold shirt and I'm going to ice dye this one. And for this one I'm going to put the fan fold on both of the shoulders. So to do that I'm going to fold the shirt in half. And I'm going to take a washable marker and a piece of kite string. And that's how I'm going to draw on my arc, which I'm going to fan fold. I'm beginning the arc right here at the shoulder seam. Now I'm going to fan fold this line and tie it up with some kite string. Then I'm going to fan fold the rest of the shirt and tie it up with some kite string as well. For this shirt, I'm going to ice dye it, but I'm also going to dye it at an incline. So to do that, I've taken a piece of plastic guttering and I've cut it so that it will fit down inside of a tub. Instead of just letting the piece of guttering hang over the end of the tub, which will incline it, I'm going to brace it up against a door, which is going to give it a steeper incline. Then I'm going to put my shirt down in the guttering and I'm going to begin to apply the dye. For this shirt, I'm beginning with Caribbean Blue, followed by Custom Colors Vivid Turquoise, then back to another Dharma color, Periwinkle, followed by Lavender, Grape, a little bit more Lavender, and I'm ending with Periwinkle. Then I'm going to put on some soda ash, just a little sprinkle over the top, and load it up with some ice. At this steep of an incline, keeping the ice on is challenging, so I'm just really having to try to work with it to get it to stay in place. I came back a couple of hours later after all the ice had melted, and I went ahead and turned my shirt over in the guttering, applied more dye, soda ash, and ice to the other side. Alright, so here's what our shirt ended up looking like. If you all are enjoying watching these videos, I sure would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's really easy to do. All you have to do is hit the big red subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.